It is elegant and enigmatic.
Need some help? I got you set up. Can I help you line it up?
Hey guys, welcome back to A Little Time Away. Today we are going to Hollywoodstudios in Orlando, Florida at Walt Disney World. We're going over to Galaxy's Edge, and today we are building lightsabers. That means we're heading to Savi's workshop. If you guys are fans like us of Star Wars, this is probably your ultimate experience. You guys will love it. It's very immersive. What Star Wars fan doesn't want to design and build their own lightsaber? I think all of us have dreamed of this as watching the movies. I tell you, every time I come to Galaxy's Edge, I feel like transformed into this area. They did a great job. Their attention to detail is unlike anything else. I have my lovely assistant, my daughter, here again with me. My wife and my son are here, and the kiddos are going to be the ones building the lightsabers. So what they normally do after you get checked in, they'll take you into this room where you assemble and put your pieces together, where you previously picked out your selection. As you'll see, there is a card that my daughter has that tells them which pieces to grab. So check it out, guys. Enjoy!
This is a lot of old junk. At least I hope that's what it looks like. If a stormtrooper knocks on the door, a room full of old junk is nothing to report on. That's what keeps us safe. We are the gatherers, and what we gather, you are surrounded by now. We have gone to the lands where Jedi and Sith have wars. We have collected their wreckage, and we have brought it here. See, we are not light side, nor are we dark. We believe that if we can preserve the pieces of the past, maybe our new friends will use these relics to change the future. Now, since you are here for this relic, let me make sure we start on the same page. Travelers, have you heard the legend of Luke Skywalker?
Yes!
Oh,
yes.
Good.
Yes.
What about Rey? Have we heard of Rey?
Lightsaber?
Yes, see, Jedi and Sith. There is rebellion through the galaxy. Many have heard stories that have inspired them to be here today. Light side, dark side. The stories of the past are not what we are here for tonight. We are here for you. And you are here to build your lightsaber. Now, the lightsaber is wielded by our greatest heroes and our darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. But above all, you and your lightsaber will be bound by the Force. It's a connection unlike any other. In fact, I believe I know what you are all thinking right now. Can we start experiencing that? So, shall we begin?
Yes!
I thought so. The Kyber crystal. You've heard of it, right?
Yes.
Yes. See, you know, I know, the Kyber crystal lives in the middle of a lightsaber. Ultimately, it focuses the energy of the Force to create the lightsaber's blade. For that, I want you to quiet your mind in this moment. See what color crystal calls to you. The blue was once wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi and his apprentice Anakin Skywalker. Now it's wielded by red. The green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. Perhaps the rarest crystal I have is the violet. It's that balance, that light side or dark, once wielded by Mace Windu. Speaking of dark, red, the crystal of power. Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Supreme Leader Kylo Ren himself. But here I am telling you stories of the past. You are our future. So here's what I want you to do. Take a moment before you choose your crystal. Just close your eyes. Trust me on this.
you see a crystal?
You got the purple one.
Now there's a small tray in the front of the station. Perfect size for a crystal, would you say? Put that crystal inside that tray because here comes the fun part. We present the pieces to your Hilt. Now when you get your box in front of you, you can take a look, see what you have, but don't start building quite yet. I won't keep you waiting long, I promise.
This is your section.
Now before we get started, there is one last thing we like to do. It makes our build just a little easier. So follow along with us while I tell you what's in this box. That left side, that is your chassis. The right side of your box holds your sets of activation packets. In the middle has your grips, your emitters, and your poly caps. Okay, travelers, go ahead and repeat that back to me. Just kidding. But I like that you believe me. How about this though? Let's make it easier on you. All you have to do is listen to your new friend right across the table. Now, let's build.
Hello guys, my name's Liaka. I'm going to be helping you guys build today, okay? That is going to be our later step, so we might want to start with the chassis first, and then make sure that hollow end is facing towards the ceiling. Okay, so grab your Kyber crystals first, okay? Kyber crystals first. You're going to find that skinnier point of that crystal and line it up with a tiny dot in the middle of your chassis.
Exactly like that.
Right here in the
Now that you got it in, do you like these or do you like these?
You're going to push all the way so you can line up that bottom end in as well too.
Exactly.
Can I get help? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to help you straighten it out and you're going to help me push it in, okay? So I'm going to take that crystal, line it up here, and then go ahead and push up right here. All the way, push it up. There we go. Just line it up. Perfect. Need some help? I got you. I'm going to help you line it up.
Get in there, y'all.
I'm just going to help you line it up.
One's gonna go on the top, one's gonna go on the bottom.
Alright guys, column 5 is your activation plates here. With Peace and Justice, we only have one style, so these are both the same, okay? I'll choose either one. Now I'm going to take a look inside those switches. You'll notice one side has a red square in it, and the other half has a blue rectangle inside it. You're going to line them up one at a time. Do you see the red and the blue? You're going to line it up with the colors here, red on red, blue on red. Make sure they line up and snap it on top.
Take your time.
Got it? Slide up on that switch for me. Perfect, and back down for now. Then we'll choose 2 out of the 4 grips here. You can mix and match any of them. Okay. Now that switch that you see right there, we're going to slide it down for me.
Where are you going with?
Right here. Perfect. And then we'll choose 2 out of 4 grips here. You can mix and match any of these 4. Alright, got the 2 pieces. Now we're going to put one on the top half, one on the bottom half. Which piece do you want to put on the top? This one? Perfect. Make sure you slide the simple silver side in first. Push in. Keep twisting till it's nice and secure. Try one more time. There we go. Then that other half is going to go on the bottom end, silver side first, okay? So this
That would fight it. It should go on nice and easy. Just get it
Now you can put them on either side, the top or the bottom half. Yeah, but don't they just... You're going to twist them in, and then they won't slide out.
Oh, you're just on the bottom or the top half straight. You got this. Keep pulling.
The bottom, this is the bottom here. Yeah. Silver side first.
Awesome. Now you gotta do the top and the bottom. Oh. Bubba has his done already.
Now you happy with those 2 I think I might have accidentally untwisted it when you were twisting this way.
Well, here, I'll show you. You're going to end up holding it this way most of the time, at least it's a safer way to do it. Keep you out of the bath tank for a little while, but I'm going to give it a safety check here. I think it is looking pretty good, though. Alright, so this piece here is your activation switch. And just a little bit on Ken-based command, you're going to click up on your switch, just like that. It's going to activate the saber. For now, we're going to leave it right there in the center. Fantastic job.
Alright guys, comment below, let us know what you think.
What color do you think?
Here, let's go over here.
It says activate this, like this is just up to activate, down to deactivate. Now you feel this agree. We're going to activate everyone all together, okay? Congratulations.
Awesome.
On your way.
Your lightsaber will not sound like anyone else's. While you hold it in your hands, if you would, there is one last step, and you might feel silly, so if you would, just close your eyes. This hilt in your hand, this metal that you hold, I want you to feel the force kind of joining you together. Just take a breath. Jedi, Sith, if they could quiet their mind, the force was said to find them. And the force is strong in this room. Okay, open your eyes, and very gently, place your hilts back down on their hilt stance. I am pleased to say your hilts are now highly combustible. So for your safety, especially with younglings in the room, move as far back as you can from your build station. I promise you will be fine, but we do have a little learning opportunity that we have been adapting through as the day has gone on. We have learned that when the force is strong, sometimes so is the lightsaber. If you don't believe me, take a look at my ceiling. Imagine going to activate your lightsaber, and instead of a lightsaber, you end up with a skylight baker. We do not have to imagine it though, because it actually happened today. So if your saber is stronger than you expect, please aim up. Otherwise, we could end up with a hole through your kembe, and that is not exactly the end of this presentation that I was hoping for, although wait.
Well done. Chosen a perfect skill you have. Chosen with heart. When joined to the art, much more will come. For you, it is time.
Master Yoda. It is time. It's time for your story to start. In a moment, you will approach your lightsaber and you will place your hand upon your hilt. When I say activate, slide up on your switch, and together we will activate for the very first time. Move forward, my friends. Hands on your hilt. Activate. Raise your lightsabers. This is it, the lightsaber that will light your way. You are amongst Jedi and Sith that have come before you. Now it's up to you. Change the galaxy, leave your mark, and remember, it only takes a spark. Now deactivate and lower your lightsaber.
I hope y'all enjoyed watching that as much as we did doing it. The kids loved it. It's something they're going to remember for many, many years from now. One note before we go, make sure you book this in advance. This is a very popular experience. It will book up fast and sometimes sells out. And on that note, that is all for this trip. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And remember, sometimes even you need a little time away. Until next time, guys. Bye.